Hello everyone, you are welcome to the live stream and thank you for joining me. Mm. Hello, hello everyone. Uh, Hello, hello. Good. Hello everyone. Good morning, wherever you are watching me from. Um, Moving straight to the chart on EURUSD. Hello. Now let's quickly run a top-down analysis. Hello everyone. Good morning, wherever you are watching me from. Okay, so let me quickly um run a top-down analysis on EURUSD. Now coming to the weekly time frame, let's come to the weekly time frame to check the direction of the market. Where is the market heading to? Now on the weekly time frame, we can see that the trend is bullish to the upside. Price has been bullish right here. We have this first touch point 29, we have the second touch point 29, and it is connected to the future. This shows the direction of the market, that the market is bullish to the upside. So, and ever since, price has been creating higher highs and higher lows. This is on a weekly time frame. Price has been creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low. Now, when it creates a higher low, it push back up right here to attempt this resistance level right here. Price could not break through that level. It was rejected down. It pushed back up again to attempt it again. Price, price, price could still not break that level. It was still rejected down. This tells us that this level of resistance it is strong. Price is currently rejecting this resistance level right here. The sellers are rejecting the price right here. And if you look at the left hand side right here, we can see that if price can break through this level, the next level is here. The next level is here. If price can successfully come and attempt this level, the next level target is this level of resistance right here. But for now, as it is right here, we can see that on the weekly time frame, price is moving in a sideways movement. It is moving from one support to another resistance, from one support to another resistance. It's moving up, down, up, down. And as you can see right now, we can see that on the weekly time frame, the EURUSD is moving in a sideways movement. So let's go to the daily time frame right here. Now right here on the daily time frame, we can also see that both the weekly and the daily are both saying the same info, are both passing the same information right here. Right here on the daily time frame, we can see that the daily time frame attempted this level right here. This level of resistance could not break through. It pushed back down. Came around again to attempt it again for the second attempt. Now it was still rejected. Now right here we have a double bottom right here. We have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low. Price is expected to come create a new lower low that will break this recent low right here. But that did not happen. Price formed a trend reversal. We have a higher high, we have a higher low, we have a higher high, we have higher low, higher high, higher low. We have trend direction change here. So we are expected, price is expected to come create a new lower high right here, but unfortunately that did not happen. Price just break up again to come attempt this level right here. Could not break through that level. It break out and sweep the liquidity around here and dump again. So we have a higher high, we have a higher low, we have a higher high. This high right here could not still break through that level and could not even come and even clear this high right here. So so now this now make it a divergence double top right here. So we have a higher high, we have a higher low, we have a higher high. This is a divergence double top. So we have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low. On the daily time frame, we expect price to come create a new lower high right here. Since this is now a support level right here, that price has break and close below it, we have a support level right here. So now we expect price to do something like this, to pull back right here and continue dumping to the downside. This is on the daily time frame right here. We have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low. Price has break this low right here and it has closed above it. So we expect the Euro USD price to come to retest this level right here, let support down resistance, and it will continue selling. But if price can break above here, it's coming up again. So we can see that the daily time frame is moving in a sideways movement. So we want to see if we can get a buy opportunity or sell opportunity. So coming to the 4-hour time frame. So now right here on the 4-hour time frame right here is that we have seen the trend that this momentum trend is bullish, is bearish to the downside. We can see that the momentum trend is bearish to the downside. So for now, the market is not ready to face the upside. It's still retracing, it's still selling in the range, inside the range. So right here now we have a low, we have a high, I take that again, we have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low. This low right here, price has, look at it. I take that again. We have a lower low, we have a lower high, we have a low, we have a high. Now we have a low right here. With what I'm seeing right here, price is still coming to this support level. That is around 1.14600. Price is still coming right there because this is